downtown. Downtown is the plug. So how are you? Today is a Monday and we are about to just go grocery shopping with Washe and my helper, and we have a visitor here, guys. I don't know. I think it's because it's that time of the month. So we are off to buy at the supermarket. I did tell you guys that I do buy my groceries at the tuck shops. For those who are new, my name is Janet, and tuck shops are downtown here in Zimbabwe. That's where we buy. That's where actually this family buys their groceries because it's much cheaper than buying from the supermarket. And our supermarket sometimes doesn't have some of the stuff which I need, which are normally at the tuck shops. So today, and normally I buy my laundry stuff from the tuck shops, and then supermarkets I then buy other things like coffee and all that. I'll do a grocery haul just today for you guys to see. And also, what else are we doing today? I'll also just show you my garden just to make the vlog a little longer and not so long. So yeah, guys, let me take you around. Hey guys, so I'm back from the shops, from the supermarket. I bought my groceries just at the at Spa. As you can see, this is all I bought. And this was about 14,000. And let me just adjust. Oh, so I was trying to adjust. So 14,000 is about 35 US dollars. So basically these are vegetables, and I buy vegetables like every week, I think, depending on what it is. Cabbage, I buy it most probably every after 2 weeks, and then the other stuff maybe every after week. That's the whole reason why I ended up having my own garden, because buying from the shops, guys, every time is just like, and you have a yard, it's just like a total waste of money. For me, it was just like a total waste of money. So these things were about 14,000, is about 35 US dollars. And so I buy these things weekly. I bought tomatoes, and these tomatoes are about 593 bond, and you just divide by 400, and that's about a dollar something, which is not bad. They're dollar something, which is not bad. I also bought, let me just adjust this. I also bought bananas. Bananas I buy almost every week because of washe. They're mostly for washe. And the bananas were about, how much were the bananas? The bananas were about 652 for the whole peg. Sometimes if they're like this and we also join in eating, we buy them maybe every after 4 or 5 days, but normally weekly. That's what we do. I bought apples last week, they are still there. So yeah, and oranges are still there. And then we also just make sure we buy vegetables for the week. And these are 337, I think, for one. Yeah, these I buy weekly as well. I also had to just buy things which I didn't buy from the tuck shops, as I explained earlier on what tuck shops are, in case you are new. I had to buy my coffee. This time I did buy Jacobs, because Jacobs obviously is a bit pricey, and also I had to buy these noodles. The noodles also I do buy most probably every week, or anytime we do this small grocery shopping. Like I said, this was 35 US. So anytime we do this small grocery shopping, that's when we then buy these small things. And then bread, we also buy, not really weekly. I bought two. So depending on when we are done with bread, we buy. I also got to buy Sun Gem because we had run out totally. And Stay Soft, I don't buy in the supermarket. I went to Spar, by the way. I normally don't buy Stay Soft at the supermarket. I buy at the tuck shops. The tuck shops are way cheaper, because for the 2 liter Stay Soft you buy it $3.50, and at the supermarket it's about $4.70. And then this was 1,212 divided by 400. Yeah, you can do the math. It's about $3 something. I want this for the car. I just want the car to remain. That's a hack, guys. If you want your car to remain smelling nice, you can always buy Stay Soft and put it at the back seat. So yeah, so I wanted to buy this so that the car remains smelling nice. I also just had to restock salt. Ooh,
what did you buy for the car?
So this.
No.
And also I had to buy Matemba. My husband was like, he wants Matemba. So yeah, guys, that's the 35 US dollar grocery. And then I had to just restock these as well. The spaghettis we no longer had. I did buy macaron from the tuck shops. Yeah, I bought a big pack for the macaroni, so we are covered. I had to just restock these. So yeah, guys, that was the whole point of me like coming up with a garden, because I always buy vegetables every week. I don't like frozen vegetables, by the way. So I comment down below if you are the same like me, like if you buy vegetables every week. I really don't like frozen vegetables, So I prefer just buying vegetables every week with the things which would have run out, like bread and other small things like noodles, things which we eat every time, and fruits. So yeah, that's the whole point for me for then coming up with a garden, because I was like, you know what, I have big space, why not do a garden as well? So now I don't have to buy carrots. My carrots have grown, so that's why you don't see them here. I don't have to buy carrots. I don't have to buy veggie, like green veggies, cover, and my cabbage is still growing. Tomatoes didn't come out well, so I'll just wait for next summer, because we're already in winter and tomatoes don't do well in winter. So I'll just wait. As you can see, I've inserted the video for my garden. As you can see, it came out very nice. There's green pepper as well. It's still very small, but the tomatoes are like dead, totally dead. So I'm already enjoying eating the carrots and also eating the cover. So I'm just hoping that with time I'm going to just have everything, and I don't have to buy from the supermarket. And then I also did buy these seeds for our like chili. I want to also plant this, and also we did buy these. We had run out. No, not really. We haven't run out, but then I was just restocking some of the soups which which are almost running out. That's it, guys. This is the 35 US dollar grocery. Basically, I hope I didn't forget anything. And also, this is peanut butter for Washer's porridge. I obviously make him peanut butter porridge sometimes. And yeah, guys, that's just about it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it here. If you are new, please do click the subscribe button. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, and also do like this video. It does help my channel grow, and also share it with other people who might enjoy my content. You guys normally don't enjoy vlogs. You don't enjoy my vlogs, so do comment down below if you feel like my videos which are the Alibaba videos are the ones which are doing well, and the vlogs are really not doing very well. So comment down below what you want me to improve, or what you really want to see from my vlogs, or you don't want to see vlogs at all. So please do comment down below, so that we can come up with something which you guys might want to see, rather than me filming these things that you don't watch. So yeah, guys, I also did get something from downtown which I wanted to show you. So yeah, guys, I did buy this downtown when I went to just purchase Washer's Pampers. I was so happy, because guys, these cups are so unique. I love them. I really love them. Hope you do too. They're coffee mugs. I don't know. Even I feel like you can actually eat your cereal here. You can actually eat your hot soup in here. So I just like them. I saw them and I liked them, and they were actually very reasonable. Downtown, guys. Downtown. Downtown is the plug. So yeah, guys, that's just about it. So goodbye. See you on my next vlog. Cheers.